Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, place a microwave-safe plate and line it with 2 paper towels. Lay bacon in a single layer, not stacked. Overlapping causes uneven cooking. Cover the strips with a second paper towel to catch grease and reduce splatter. If you have 1/4 slices, plan about 1 minute per slice as a baseline. For 5/8 slices, use 2 plates or cook in batches. Once done setting up, slide the plate into the center of the microwave and shut the door. You now run the first timed cook. Set high power and start with about 1:00 per slice as a baseline, then monitor. After that cycle, open the door and peel back the cover to inspect color and crispness. Make sure to use tongs or a fork. If bacon is thinner or your microwave runs hot, check every 30 seconds. Once you see golden edges and firm texture, stop. If your microwave has uneven zones, rotate the plate once mid-cycle. You finish by transferring cooked bacon to a fresh paper towel to drain for 1 to 2 minutes. Resting lets it crisp while shedding excess grease. If pieces are underdone, reheat in 15-30-second bursts, checking after each until done. Make sure to avoid long, continuous reheats that burn edges. Troubleshooting tip: if bacon comes out soggy, place on a wire rack in a preheated 425 degrees oven or quickly crisp in a hot skillet for 1 to 2 minutes to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.